Good morning students. Hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class what we discussed the exercise number 1.3 till ninth main, right? So till ninth main we completed in the last class only. Now we'll start with the 10th one, okay? Even I had given a homework, right? What is the homework I had given? That is about this all the exercise number 1.3 only from 5th main to ninth main. That I had given a homework, right? So hope everyone done your homework, right? Whoever not done your homework, please do your homework. Okay, it's a request only. Think like it's a request. Okay, because it's your life, right? So if you're not doing and if you're not serious about your studies means what will happen in future, think about that also. Okay, so please be serious about your studies. At least daily you have to do the 4 hours study, morning 2 hours, evening 2 hours. That is enough, because school also not there. Okay, so you are only staying in the home only and you are playing a games only. So for that reason, at least study a 2 hours. Study a 4 hours, 2 hours at a morning and 2 hours at a evening. Okay, that must you have to do. So next we'll begin with the 10th main now, that is exercise number 1.3, 10th main. Okay, start the 10th main. The product of two integer is minus 756, and if one integer is a minus 36, find the other integer. Okay, product of a two integer is right here. Product of two integer. What is the product of two integer? That will be the minus 756. Product of a two integer is minus 756, and one integer is how much here? One integer. One integer is equal to how much here? That will be the minus 36. Okay. We have to find the another integer. Okay. Another integer, that is considered as the x here. Okay, I don't know that integer. For that reason, I am considering that value as a here x. X we have to find here. Okay, product means what we have to do? X multiplied by minus 36, that is equal to minus 756. So here multiplication is there. So if we take this value to the RHS side, then we will go to the denominator, right? So now x is equal to what? Minus 756 divided by minus 36. Minus minus plus, right? So 36 ones are, 36 twos are, that will be 72, right? Again 36 ones are. So what is the x value here? 21. Okay. So now they told to find another integer. What is the another integer here? The another integer is the 21. Okay. Okay. So we finished the 10th one also. Now we start with the 11th one. What is the 11th problem? Read everyone. That is, an AC cools the room by bringing down the temperature by a 4 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay. How much time would take to the bring down room temperature from 48 degrees Celsius to the 24 degrees Celsius? Okay. They are telling here AC here, the AC temperature by it will bringing down the temperature by a 4 degrees Celsius per hour, means for 1 hour it is decreasing a 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, then it will how much time taken to from 48 degrees Celsius to 24. Okay, they are asking, you have to tell the time, how much time they taken to 48 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, we'll solve now. That is 11th one. So here from 48 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius we want, right? So per hour how much? 4 degrees Celsius will decreases. Okay, per hour means for 1 hour 4 degrees Celsius will decreases. See here, for first hour 1 hour here, that will be the 44 degrees Celsius. Next 2 hours means here, that will be the 40 degrees Celsius. Again here 3 hours. Okay, here that will be here 40 minus 4 is 36 degrees Celsius. right? And here, how much time we want here? To from 48 to 24, so it will be 66, sorry, 6 hours. Okay, so it will take a 6-hour time to reach the temperature 24 degrees Celsius from the 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, right here that is nothing but how much time it would take to bring down temperature from 48 to 24. See here, 6 hour is needed to bring down temperature from 48 to 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, from 48 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius we want a 6-hour time. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, now we'll go with the 12th one, last problem of the 1.3. What is that one? That is Geetika owes her brother rupees 54, and if she plans to pay him back an equal amount for her piggy bank each day for 6 days. Okay, so describe the change in the amount of money in her piggy bank each day. Okay, see here, she is Geetika owes her brother rupees 54. If she plans to pay him back an equal amount of her piggy bank each day for 6 days. Okay, so describe the change in the amount of money in her piggy bank each day. Okay, so what we have to do here? She want to give money back to him, his brother, and for how many days? For 6 days she want to give, right? So how much money or how much money she is giving per day? You have to mention the per day amount. Okay, that they are telling here. Okay. So Geetika owes her brother rupees 54, and if she plans to pay him back an equal amount from her piggy bank each day for 6 days. Okay, and she is giving a equal amount from her piggy bank each day. Each day giving a equal amount means divide the 54 by 6. How much it is? 6 9 54. So per day, see here, per day she has to give rupees 9. Okay, per day she has to give a rupees 9. Okay, that is the answer for that question. Okay, now we'll go with the order of operations. Okay, 1.3 is finished. Now we'll go with the order of operation. What is the order of operation? Order of operation is nothing but so when we are solving the problems we have to follow this order. Okay, so they will give the first order, second order, third order, like that. So we have to use this rule, and after that using this rule you have to solve all the problems. Okay, so what is that rule? Order of operation is nothing but BODMAS. Okay, so BODMAS is the order of operation here. Order of operation. So what do you mean by B here? B is nothing but bracket. Okay, B is nothing but bracket, and O is nothing but of function. Okay, of function. Next, D is nothing but division. Okay, so next thing is here, M means multiplication. Next, after that A means here addition. Okay, S means what here? Subtraction. Okay, getting everyone here? So here we have to use the order of operation is something but here we given a BODMAS rule. What is the rule here? Rule name is here BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule here. So have you seen the Chalk and Duster movie? Have you seen? In Chalk and Duster movie, this rule is there. Okay, Chalk and Duster movie, Hindi movie. Chalk and Duster. Movie name is Chalk and Duster. Okay, so if possible, watch that movie. That is a way that is related about the education only. Okay, so how the students have to work and how the teachers have to work, that only they given in that film. Okay, if there is a time, then please watch that movie, Chalk and Duster. In that there will be one song is there, that is about only Bodmas rule. Okay, they are telling the Bodmas rule only in that film. Okay, so that is the Bodmas rule. Okay, so what is the B means here? B means bracket. B means bracket. O means off function. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. Getting everyone? What is the Bodmas long form here? B for brackets. O for off function. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. Getting everyone? So this is the Bodmas rule. Using Bodmas rule, we have to solve the exercise number 1.4. Okay, we'll solve it. Start the exercise number 1.4. In that, what is the first problem here? Simplify. In simplify, first one is a 128 division here and here bracket 6 minus 8 division. Okay, what is our rule here? Bodmas. Right? B means first we have to operate the bracket functions. Okay, means we have to solve the bracket function first. That is the meaning of this rule. Okay. B means first to solve the all the brackets. That is the meaning of this B. Okay. First to solve the all the brackets. Next one will be the O function, means it is a off function. If there is any given O off, then you have to solve the that off function. After that, do the division. Okay, in the given problem, first do the division. After that, after division, you have to do the multiplication. After multiplication, do the addition. Addition after subtraction. Okay, if they given all the mixed operations here, and don't do addition at the first. Okay, just follow this rule. Bodmas rule we have to follow. So here, whether is the bracket here? Yes, here we are having a bracket. It means what we have to do here? First, we have to solve this bracket. Solve this bracket. That is 128 divide. What is the 6 minus 2? 6 minus 12. 6 minus 8. What is 6 minus 8? That will be the minus 2. Okay. Now here minus 2 it is. Okay. Now divide 128 by 2. Okay. 128 by minus 2. So the quotient will be always here minus only. Divide 128 by 2. That will be the 64. So what is the answer we got here? Minus 64. Getting everyone? So here we are having a bracket. So first we have to solve this bracket. Okay? Because the Bodmas rule says like that only. So first we have to solve here a bracket. After that, off functions. Here no off functions is there. After that, what is the what we have to do here? Division. Is there any division? Yes, we are having a division also here. So after that, solving this bracket, we have to solve the division. So what is the total answer we got here? Final answer, that is as a minus 64. The answer. Getting everyone? Okay, we'll do the next one more here. Second one. Do the second one here. 6 minus 8 divide 2. So again, using a Bodmas rule, first we have to solve the brackets here. So first solve the bracket here, minus 8 by 4. Divide 8 by 4. What you will get? 4 2s are. So the quotient will be 2 here. Next 6 minus 2, that will be the 4 here. Answer is 4. Getting everyone? Next. Third one. What is the third one? 17 plus 45 divide with the minus 9. Right? Divide with the minus 9 here. Now observe here operations are here plus and division. And don't consider this minus 9 because that is inside the bracket. It means what? That number itself a negative sign. There is no subtraction is there. Okay? There is only division is there, but the number itself subtraction here. Okay, so just here we are having only two operations. First one is the plus and here division. So according to the BODMAS rule, what we have to do? First addition or division? First is the division. So do the division here. That will be 70 plus 45 divided by minus 10. What is the answer you will get here? 45 divided by minus 10. Quotient obviously with the minus only 9 5 are, right? So now 17 plus into minus, right? So 17 minus 5 is 1. That is the answer. Okay? According to the BODMAS, first we have to do the division. For that reason I did the division. 45 divided with the minus 10. That will be the minus 5 here. Now plus into minus is minus. 17 minus 5 is the 12. That is the answer. Getting everyone? So now go with the fourth one. What is the fourth question they given here? 3 into 8 plus 6. Now here multiplication is there, here addition is there. According to the BODMAS, what we have to do first? Multiplication. So first do the multiplication. 3 8s are 24 plus 6. So that will be the answer is here 30. Getting everyone? So just follow this rule. Everything easy. Only multiplication, addition, subtraction and division is there. But we have to follow this rule. Only that is the thing. Okay? If they given only one operation, addition, if they given a whole addition, then you will do. And if they given a whole subtraction, then also you will do. But whenever they given a mixed operation, means division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, okay, all together they give in only one problem only. That time you have to follow this BODMAS rule. Getting everyone? Yes. Now we do the fifth problem. What is the fifth one here? Fifth one. 12 plus in the bracket 5 minus 7 is there. Next into minus 3. So first we have to solve this bracket. Right? According to the BODMAS, first we have to solve the brackets. So solve 12 plus 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2 into minus 3. Again. So next, after bracket, division is there? No division. Then multiplication is there? Yes, here is the multiplication. Then do the multiplication. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. Now add these two values. That will be the 18. 18 is the answer here. Okay. So like this we have to solve the given problems here using a BODMAS rule. Sixth one, 55 into minus 5. Right. Next, plus 80 divided with the minus 20. Right. So 55 into minus 5 and 80 divided with the minus 20 here. So here brackets are not there because only for number we are having a bracket. Okay. So here multiplication is there, here addition and here division. So according to the BODMAS, what we have to do? Division is the first preference. Do the division first. 55 minus 5 here plus 80 divided minus 20 means it is a minus 4. Right. Next, after division we have to do the multiplication. Do this multiplication. Minus 5 is 25. 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. And here plus into minus 4. So here what we got? Minus 275 minus 4. So both are minus means we need to add the values and write the minus sign. That will be the minus 279. Yeah. Minus 279. Okay. So now 7th. Go for the 7th one. Seventh one. Minus 45 into minus 1 plus 72 divided with the minus 8. Right? So minus 45 into minus 1 plus 72 divided with the minus 8. Here also same thing. Here multiplication is there, here addition and here division is there. So according to the BODMAS, first do the division here. Minus 45 into minus 1 plus 72 divided by minus 8 is minus 9. Now after that multiplication, minus into minus plus 45 into 45 plus into minus minus 9. So 45 minus 9 is 35. No. 15 minus 9 is 36. So answer is what here? 36 is the answer. 36 is the answer. Okay. And the last problem of this. Sorry. What I did here? 22. Which one I did here? Wait. Sorry, that is about the third main. Sorry. This is the third main I solved. Okay, sorry. That is third main. We want to solve the first main only, right? First main, seventh one. Sorry. Okay. So once again, see the seventh one here. 14 into minus 5. Next, plus 22 into 3. Right? So now solve the. Here's first multiplication. Do this multiplication and this one at a time. 14 5s are 70. Right? So next plus 66 here. 1 plus 1 minus. Then we need to subtract the values and write the bigger number side. That will be the minus 4 is the answer. Okay? And now go for the 8th one. That is minus 11 into minus 5. Okay, not here again, only for that one, and minus 18 divided with the 9 here, right? So now multiply, first do the division here, minus 11 into minus 5, subtraction, minus here 18 by 9 means it is a 2, and now do the multiplication, minus into minus plus, 11 5s are 55, minus 2. So what is the answer we got here? 53 is the answer. Okay. So we finished the exercise number 1.4. Only first main we finished. Okay. And second main and third main try to solve with the yourself only. Okay. Because all are similarly like this only. Okay. As we did in the first main, similarly like that only we are having in the second main and third main. Just we have to concentrate on the BODMAS rule. Okay. So use the BODMAS rule to simplify that given problems. You will get the answer. Second main and third main. Okay. The homework is solve the second main and third main in a HW. Okay. You have to try to solve that second main and third main in a HW. Second main, third main. I didn't done that one. Okay. So second main and third main as the homework for you. Please try to do everyone. Okay. So if you didn't get the answers, I'll tell in the next class again. Okay. So don't worry about that. But at least you have to try that one. Okay. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.